Good morning. Today we're going to be doing a roast. We're going to be doing asparagus, also with potatoes, and also Yorkshire pudding. And there's also going to be a how-to on doing the Yorkshire pudding, and we're also going to have gravy with them. So put the roast in the oven at 350. And then we'll see you when it's time to baste. We're going to put salt and pepper on it. Just a little bit, not too much. And I usually use about at least maybe 4 cups of water for the roast. And now we're going to set the timer at 350. Now we're just going to put it right in the oven. And it's going to be in there for 4 hours. So we'll see you next time when it's time to baste. You always want to baste it so it stays nice and moist. Alright, basting's done. The next step would be to do the Yorkshire puddings and show that in the next video later. Until then, see you then. Hey guys, welcome back. Now we're going to make the Yorkshire pudding. So you need 2 cups of flour. There's 1. There's 2. You need 2 cups of milk. There's 1. There's 2. You need 4 eggs. And then you stir it up.
You want to make sure you got all the lumps out or it's nice and smooth. Okay, that's done. And you also need 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And this goes right into the muffin tin. In each one. And you will need a little bit more. Okay, and when that's done, you put the muffin tin right in the oven for 5 minutes so it's nice and hot. When that comes out, then it has to be all steamy. And this way you can just pour the batter right inside. And here's what the batter looks like. And then when that gets done in 5 minutes, then we'll pour some in and they'll be sizzling. So we'll see you back in 5 minutes. Hi guys, and when you put it in the oven, if you have your oven at 330 or even 350, it's good. If not, then you preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And just let it preheat until it gets done. I'll see you back in a minute. Well guys, it's been 5 minutes, so let's take the muffin tin out. Okay, now we pour the batter and make sure that you want to make sure that's like even with all the cups. So I'm using a half cup. So then you just want to pour it in, make sure you get them all level. And if it's spilly on the tray, that's fine. If you want to put extra in, that's okay as well. You want to try and use up all the batter that you have. If you have tons of extra, that's fine. Just if you want to just dump it out, it's perfectly fine. Alright, now let's put it back in the oven and let it cook for at least 30 to 35 minutes. Or until golden brown. When they get done, I'll be back and show you what they look like. Hey guys, welcome back. Just going to make the gravy. You want at least 1 cup of gravy mix. That's 1 cup. Now you want to add in at least 1 cup of water. Just to get it started. And you want to stir it till it's all mixed and you don't see any of the mix. I'll show you what it looks like. And when it starts thickening, then you want to add at least half a cup of water. And there's the asparagus cooking. I used 4 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of butter, or margarine if you want. It won't take long for this gravy to thicken up. So you want to have water aside so you can pour it in to get some, not thickening. Then if it thickens too much, then it will start clumping on you. And you don't want it to be clumping. And let's see how the roast is coming along. The roast is looking pretty good. It's just about done. And there's your Yorkshires. You want to stir the asparagus a bit. This way they're not all sticking up in the top. And you want to keep on stirring the gravy constantly. This way it doesn't stick. And you can buy this gravy mix at Bulk Barn, or even if you have a bulk barrel, you can buy it at the same place. And this gravy is so good. And it's the brown gravy mix if you go to Bulk Barn, or even Bulk Barrel. And if you guys want, you guys can subscribe to our channel and like the video. And it feels like it's already starting to thicken up. Alright, I got my water here. It's starting to thicken up, just like that. And you want to pour in your water. 1 cup of water. And you want to stir it to get all the lumps back out. And don't worry, the lumps will go away. It gets all lumpy when there's not much water in there, and then that's when you gotta add in more water. You want to keep on stirring just to get all the lumps out. Then you'll start seeing it starting to get a little dark brown. Then you'll know that's getting almost done. If you like your gravy thick, you can just don't add more water. If you like it runny, then you can add more water to it. And just like that, all the lumps are gone. And then so it doesn't burn, you can turn it down to minimum temperature. It's already starting to get darker. Okay, and that'll be it. Now it's all thickened. Now you just let it sit. Now I'll be back when everything's done. Hey guys, it's all done. If you want to take a look, go right ahead. This is what it looks like. Looks all so good. So if you guys like this, then smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.